Good morning, students. We will explain about SP3d hybridization or PCl5 structure. It was one of the important and most important 4 marks question in IPE pattern, mostly expecting question. Let me see what is SP3d hybridization. Simple definition: and the phenomena of intermixing of one s orbital and 3 p orbitals, 1 d orbital will produce a new set of equivalent hybrid orbitals that was said to be sp3d hybridization. So right now in sp3d hybridization was explained by the one example, that is PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. So in phosphorus pentachloride, so PCl5, so what is the P is the central atom, phosphorus is the central atom. So let me write the electronic configuration. I just write 3s2 3p3 and 3d0. I just write valency orbital configuration only, valency configuration, that is 3s2 3p3 and 3d0. So why? Because only valency orbitals are participated in hybridization now, though, so that I write only this 3s2 3p3 and 3d0. There is no electrons in d orbital. So here two electrons are present in 3s, and 3 electrons are present px, py, pz, and 3 there is no electrons in d orbital right now. So means when the phosphorus is the central atom, so when 5 chlorine atoms are approaching the phosphorus in 5 direction in trigonal bipyramidal pattern, so what is happens, the electrons which are in and phosphorus are excited. So means one electron is excited from s orbital to d orbital. So means 3s1 3p3 and 3d1. So right now one s orbital and 3p orbitals, one d orbital fused to give sp3d hybrid orbitals right now. So we cannot writing orbital representation, that was not important in IPE pattern, so that just we write only structure. So this is the PCl5 structure. Phosphorus was central atom, chlorine. So in PCl5 structure there are two types of chlorines are there: equatorial chlorine and axial chlorines. Right now these two chlorines are the axial chlorines, and these three chlorines are the equatorial chlorines. So means equatorial chlorines are present on the plane of the paper, so means like this. And so one chlorine is above the plane, one chlorine is below the plane. Let me explain the structure by using pens. So right now, for suppose we are taking 5 pens here. For suppose, just see here. Here. So this here, in this case of this yellow, 1, 2, 3. This yellow caps indicate chlorine. So these are the equatorial chlorines. So those are present on the plane of the paper. This is the phosphorus, so, and this is the axial chlorine, and this is the equatorial chlorine. Right now here the angle between these two are the 90 degrees. These two are the 90 degrees. So means in the case of axial chlorines, the 90 degrees is present, and in between these are the 120 degrees are present, 120 degrees. So means here bond angles are two types of bond angles are there. So one is the 90 degrees, like this 90 degrees, and this is the 120 degrees. This is the PCl5 structure. So these are the equatorial chlorines 3, and these are the axial chlorines. Thank you. This is one of the important question. Thank you.